Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Faces Back for some more Airsoft content. My name is JDAM, and guys, welcome back to the channel. The gameplay you guys are seeing is one of the last videos I will ever make at Devil's Playground. For those who don't know, the playground, the field itself is actually closing, so this was one of the last footages I've ever gotten there. But it's kind of sad. I've been playing at this field since I was at a young age, and it's actually one of the very first videos I posted on the channel. So me and this field go back a long time. But anyway, guys, here's a little bit of random footage. A lot of cool stuff for you guys. The first scene, I'm not going to spoil it, but I do make an oopsie, and I definitely pay the price. It sucks, but hey, it happens to everybody. And then the other footage is a lot of cool kill streaks that I was able to get. It's not much. I only played half day because of what happened here, but it was a total blast. Huge thank you to everyone who came out, and a big thank you to Devils for being a great field throughout my airsofting career, especially when I started making videos. Love this field. If you guys enjoy, make sure you hit that like button. Operating with me today on this very beautiful sunny day is my boy 8Ball. Me and him decided to go behind enemy lines to sneak up right behind one of their spawns where there was a good 15 to 20 guys right in front of us. We decided to link up and get ready as a 2-man team goes up against a 25-man team. Not the smartest, but yet we were just here to start mayhem. The weapon of choice today is my PTS CM4 with an EOTech and a scope cam that didn't really work, but that's alright. It looks cool. That's all that matters. At this point, we're going to start mayhem, and we're going to see how many of them we can take out before we get killed.
What was the question?
Do you have an armband?
What? What? I'm sorry, I can't understand what you're saying.
Wait, we're right here? Yeah. Here, get down, get down. Hey, 8Ball. Yeah. I'm gonna go around.
Raj, left or right?
I'm going left. Oh, fuck. That's a swamp. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. It was a bad idea. Oh, God.
Did you get swallowed by the
Yes. I'm getting swallowed right now. Oh, fuck. Help. Help. Help, help, help. I'm sinking.
Are you actually sinking?
Yes.
Alright, don't move.
Hold on. Oh, yikes.
Jesus Christ.
Here, take my rifle so I don't get mad at myself. Okay. All right.
Hold on, we need to break some branches up.
Dude, this is fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Yikes.
I didn't know you were going to go that far back.
I didn't think it was that fucking deep.
Here, grab hold. Grab hold. Grab and hold your straps. Alright, he's good.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Dude, look at my pants.
Like, man, I'm the bad guy, so don't shoot me. I just want to
Hold on. I am gonna step out. Oh, shit. Holy fuck. Dude, it went up to my waist. And that wasn't the bottom. I was like, dude, I'm going under.
Hey, bud, you want to call parlay? Yeah, I'm just going to head over that way back.
After literally sinking into the mud and literally almost dying and also smelling like rotten eggs, I decided to walk back onto the field, but at this time I decided to go on the other side, known as the oil fields. It's a wide open space with a lot of bushes and buildings. I decided to go into this cool green and patchy spot that's right between a couple objectives. I did see a lot of green guys walking through the paths right in front of us, so I decided to get into the side and kind of wait for them to come to me. Then, out of the corner of my eye, I noticed that there was a group of enemy players coming my way. Now is the time to engage, all gillied up stealth.
Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Please go farther. I don't want to kill you all. Hi. I'm sorry. Hey, that's like 5 KIAs. What's going on, brother? All right, guys, let's hunt them down. Let's go get some kids. They went down. Oh, that's a 2. Hi. Okay, that is confirmed 8 kills. I feel kind of bad now. That was not okay. I feel like a monster. I shot a bunch of kids. Wait. Let them come close. Let them get close. Let them get close. All right, on the count of 3. Ready? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Can someone medic me? It's a hands-on, 60 seconds. Thank you. I felt really bad hitting those kids. I felt bad. I don't know if I even want to post that or not. I feel like a monster. Here, you can take that off. That's yours. Thanks, brother.
So if I get hit and you don't, you can heal me. And
Yeah.
if you get hit and I don't, I can heal you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Back up. It's another kid. It's in the woods. Good shit. Way to go, guys. You're a bunch of kid killers. Guys, I think they're enemy. Hit them. Take it down. Good shot.
At this moment, I started taking heavy enemy fire. Looking through the brushes, I was able to tell that there was at least 3 enemies to my right, but I can only tell that only 2 of them had machine guns. Now my goal is to try to engage them without actually giving away my position as much as I have already.
Heard. Going left to right.
He's coming straight down the middle.
And that path?
Yeah, path.
Heard.
He was going to the left side of the path.
Left side, heard. Watch it. Can you go down? Oh, fuck. Sorry. Tango down, tango down. That's 2 machine gunners.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that edgy airsoft video. I know I had a lot of fun playing at this field. A big thank you to everyone who came out, and also a big thank you to you guys for supporting the channel. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you slap that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. And if you guys are also interested in winning some JDAM patches or wanting to purchase some for your own, link will be down in the description. Anyway, guys, my name's JDAM. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You guys rock. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Back to 2 machine gunners.